A two-wheeler in India is a practical option for personal mobility. It is a utilitarian option than a lifestyle choice. Affordability, lower maintenance, better fuel efficiency, durability, last-mile connectivity, increasing traffic congestion, ease of riding, makes two-wheelers a popular and reliable choice of personal mobility. This reliable and dependable machine, which is a part of daily routine for many, should be maintained suitably for optimum performance. Optimum performance of two-wheelers can be ensured by use of the right oil. Modern two-wheeler engine requirements are different from the engine of other personal mobility vehicles like cars. Passenger car engine operates at low RPM, it is liquid-cooled, has a lower power output per engine displacement. The engine and transmission are in different housing with different type of oils. It has a dry clutch with no oil required for lubrication. Moreover, the engine oil lubricates only the engine. Motorcycle engines operate at higher RPM, are mostly air-cooled with high power output per engine displacement. The engine, clutch and transmission are in the same housing and is lubricated by one oil. Engine oil quantity in motorcycle engine is much low compared to passenger car. Hence, it exhibits higher stress on the engine oil. The high-speed air-cooled motorcycle engine operates at higher temperatures, leading to oxidation of oil and deposit formation. Deposits are formed on the piston area, leading to liner wear. Improper lubrication and wear controlled to wear off interfacing parts like valve drain and gear. Regular oil may have inadequate frictional properties, leading to clutch slippage, wear and heat generation. Valvoline motorcycle engine oils are dedicated motorcycle oil designed to deliver exceptional performance for the severe needs of the modern motorcycle engines. They are formulated with special molecules which keep away deposits and sludge formation, ensuring protection against overheating and delivers smooth operation of piston. They prevent oxidation of oil and oil thickening. Because of higher oxidation resistance, adequate film thickness is maintained over a longer period. This not only ensures protection against wear but helps reduce fluid friction, thereby aiding fuel economy. Gears operate at lower speeds compared to piston and are exposed to varying torque conditions, leading to shear stress on oil. Valvoline motorcycle engine oils provides enhanced wear protection to the gear interface, offers longer gear durability. The clutch is an important part of the motorcycle engine assembly as it connects and disconnects the engine from the transmission. Optimal frictional characteristics of our engine oils enable smooth clutch operation and avoids clutch slippage. They act as a heat transfer medium, reducing the overall operating temperature of the clutch assembly, thus ensures longer operational life of clutch. The use of regular oil may not only lead to clutch slippage and poor performance of the motorcycle, but may also lead to engine failure. Valvoline engine oils are designed to ensure protection of critical engine parts, enabling retention of power and fuel efficiency over the engine life, which make your motorcycle runs as new always. Valvoline engine oils offers all-round protection, minimizing the maintenance and ensuring higher durability for longer and better service life of the engine.